Welcome back to another video. Today we have the store organize all your batteries, the new Battery Daddy storage system. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers and platform by subscribes and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. We got this battery because obviously we got a mess. We need to get organized. I'm gonna try to put everything in there. Store organize all your batteries. Says the new Battery Daddy storage system. We got the holds up to 180 batteries. Says sleek, compact, fits all in a drawer. You can even put it in your toolbox. You get built-in tester, so you can test those old batteries and see if they're junk or not. No more digging through junk drawers. Double-sided, holds 180 batteries, 76 AA, 72 AAAs, 8 9-volt batteries, 10 Cs, 8 Ds, and 12 button cells. Clear easy view cover. I think I have some button cells I need to put in here. We got clear easy view cover, battery tester included, a sturdy carry handle, secure heavy duty latches, battery not included. Great for home, office, boats, RV, workshop, and more. Made in China. A lot of slots, and it does have that tester in there on the middle, so it's like a little tool case or tool organizer. Then they give you the, it says battery deals. This is plastic, so it does have some nice handles. You got some literature there. AA batteries, and these are brand new. I'm just gonna put them in here. Alright, so we were able to fit most of these in here. So let's close this up. I think that looked pretty nice, organized. Alright, so we got a tester here that tells you replace on red and low is yellow. I just tossed those yellow ones, and good is green. So we're gonna test this older one here. We got negative on the top, positive on the bottom. It says low. This is trash. This one's fairly new, so it should be good. This one it's still sealed, so it should be good. And then we got this one here. So this one's good. Alright, we got the bigger batteries. This is a 1.5 D battery. This does fit in here. It says it's good. Alright, we got a smaller one here. It's good. 9-volt battery. What you guys do, it does have 2 terminals on the top. It gives you a smaller one. It tells you it's good. The 2032. Alright, we'll throw them in there like that, and that'll save them. Yeah, well, I don't trust this, you know, throwing them without the plastic. Looks a lot different from what we had. I really like this. I really want this device to keep all my batteries organized. Now you know how many batteries you got left, because obviously I do use a lot of batteries. Keeps all those batteries in there. It keeps them stored safely from touching, from the ends touching and all that. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.